Your phone is destroying your spine. Most of you are holding it at this angle right now.
Watch what this simple habit does to your neck and back. And the damage is permanent.
When you look down at your phone, your spine is forced into an unnatural position. Your head weighs about 10 to 12 pounds. When upright, that weight goes straight down. But tilt just 15 degrees, and the effective force jumps to 27 pounds. At 30 degrees, 40 pounds. At 45, 49 pounds. The load is multiplying. At 60 degrees, you're putting 6+ pounds on your neck. Your discs are being crushed. Within hours, your neck muscles are screaming. You get headaches and tense shoulders. By month 1, disc compression begins. The damage is accumulating silently. Month 3. Disc herniation. The disc bulges and crushes the nerve root. Year 1. Cervical spondylosis. Bone spurs form. This is NOT reversible. It's a whole body problem. Your shoulders round forward and your chest tightens. Your lower back overarches to rebalance. Your hips tilt. Your glutes weaken. Forward posture compresses your lungs. You can't breathe deeply. You're oxygen starved. Your jaw misaligns. Your eyes strain. It's a whole body dysfunction. 80% of young adults have text neck. It's an epidemic. Disc herniation in young adults has increased 200% in 20 years. Surgery costs $50,000 to $150,000. And it might not work. Forward posture ages you 10 years. You literally look older and lose height. It's like smoking a pack a day for your spine. The damage is silent, but deadly. Prevention is easier than correction. Protect your spine now, before it's too late. Hold your phone at eye level, not at your waist. Eye level keeps your spine neutral. The 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Strengthen your neck and upper back. Stretch your chest. Engage your diaphragm. Solution 1. Phone at eye level. This is the single most important change. 2. Take breaks. Give your discs time to recover and relieve the pressure. 3. Strengthen your neck. Strong muscles maintain your posture automatically. Stretch your chest. Release the tightness and let your shoulders roll back. 5. Fix your environment. Ergonomic setups and regular posture checks save your spine. Do these 5 things and you'll stand taller, look younger, and save your spine.